How are you? I am fine, thank you. I am a little tired today. How was your day? It was good. It was boring. Are you feeling sleepy? Yes, I want to rest. No, I'm fresh and active. Do you like to dance? Yes, I love dancing. No, I'm not good at it. Do you have any brother or sister? Yes, I have one brother. No, I'm the only child. Where are you going? I'm going to the market. I'm heading to my friend's house. Do you like reading books? Yes, I love reading stories. Not much. I prefer watching videos. How is the weather today? It's sunny and warm. It's cloudy and a bit cold. Are you free tomorrow? Yes, I'm totally free tomorrow. No, I have some work to finish. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. It's around 9:30 p.m. What are you thinking about? I'm thinking about my work. I'm thinking about my assignments. Where is your phone? It's on the chair. I think it's in my bag. Do you like your job? Yes, I really enjoy it. It's okay, but sometimes stressful. Do you like learning English? Yes, I love it. Sometimes it feels hard, but I try. What are you searching for? I'm looking for my book. I lost my wallet. Do you like online shopping? Yes, it's so easy. Not really. I prefer stores. Are you good at cooking? Yes, I can cook different dishes. No, I'm still learning. Do you like your city? Yes, it's a great place to live. Not much. It's too noisy. Are you going out today? Yes, I have some work. No, I will stay at home. Do you like online classes? Yes, they are convenient. No, I prefer offline classes. Do you like watching sports? Yes, especially cricket. Not much. I don't understand the rules. What is your favorite drink? I like orange juice. I prefer cold coffee. How often do you visit the library? Once a week. Rarely. I read online. What is your dream job? I want to be a teacher. My dream is to become a pilot. Do you like to plan your day? Yes. I make a to-do list daily. No, I go with the flow. How do you handle stress? I take deep breath and relax. I listen to music. What kind of books do you read? I like motivational books. I enjoy story books and novels. Do you like long journeys? Yes, I enjoy road trips. No, I get tired easily. Do you like using mobile apps for learning? Yes, they make learning fun. Sometimes when I have free time. Do you like to sleep during the day? Yes, short naps help me. No, I can't sleep in daylight. Do you like morning walks? Yes, they make me feel fresh. No, I'm not a morning person. What are you doing? I'm studying. I'm working. When were you born? I was born in 2000. I was born in 2001. Do you have a car? Yes, I have a car. No, I don't have a car. Are you married? Yes, I'm married. No, I'm single. Do you like to watch YouTube videos? Yes, I watch them every day. Yes, I watch English learning videos on the YouTube channel English Tales. Keep practicing every day, and soon you will speak English with confidence. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.